up, guys? It's Rizzy Rach. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you guys are here. Thank you for 200 subscribers. I'm so thankful for you guys, and I'm so glad that y'all subscribe to me because you find me interesting, you know? Like, if you guys want to follow my socials, my Instagram is It's Rizzy Rach, or it's the same as my YouTube name. I post a lot of different things on my Instagram. I try to post every single day on my Instagram, and I try to post once a week on my YouTube, but you know, your girl is not consistent on YouTube yet because YouTube is like so much harder, but I'm gonna try to do a little bit better for you guys. I'm not saying you're special, but you're special. So first thing you're gonna need is some nice agua for these beautiful curls on your head right now, and just gonna refresh them. Guys, so I just finished wetting my hair, and it's not dripping wet, it's just damp. If you do want your hair to be dripping wet, it's just gonna take longer for your hair to dry, so it's totally up to you. Anyway, so the first product that I use is the Blueberry Bliss Leave-In Conditioner. All the curls, the products are super duper lightweight, which I really love. This is my one replacement thing that I was telling y'all about. I use the As I Am leave-in conditioner. I'll have a picture somewhere up here, but I moved and I can't find it, so I gotta go buy me a new one. But for right now, this is my replacement, or what I would use if I don't have my As I Am. This is super duper lightweight, and it smells amazing, y'all. Baby, let me dive in your curls. That's what they be singing to me when they be walking past me and they be smelling this Blueberry Bliss, girl. Next product that I love from the Curls Blueberry Bliss line, if you don't know, yes girl, I have the whole entire line because my mom bought it for me and it smells amazing and I love it so much. By the way, they're coming out with like a pineapple collection soon, and I'm getting that and I'm doing a review on it because I need that ASAP. But anyways, this is the Curl Control Jelly. I really love this. Again, this is a super lightweight product. It smells amazing. Doesn't leave your hair hard. None of that, girl. Just makes your curls defined. You know what I'm saying? Okay guys, so the next product that I like to use is the Cantu Define and Shine Custard. Y'all, this will get your curls mad defined. I'm not kidding with you. Like, I love, this is my, if y'all want to know my favorite product, this is probably one of my favorite products. Okay, like, it's really good. Let's see, it doesn't have any sulfates, no mineral oil, no parabens, no silicones, none of that, y'all. Like, this, if you didn't know, that's really bad for your hair, and it doesn't have none of that in there, so it's not bad for your hair. It has like a gooey, like, if you've ever like felt slime, I feel like it changes the way that my hair feels whenever I first apply it to my hair, which is the only thing that I don't like about this product. The only thing that I don't like about it. But other than that, when it comes to actually defining my curls, yes, this is the main thing that helps me keep my defined curls and keep them looking defined, like if I just came out the shower. Sorry you guys, my camera is about to run out of storage, so I'm trying to hurry up before it does. So I'm not gonna show you guys me like actually putting the product in my hair, because do I really need to show that? So anyways, next product that I'm going to use, and the last product that I'm going to use, is the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. This is a super heavy product, and like I said, my hair does not like heavy, I got a hair right here, but my hair does not like heavy products, so I apply a little bit to my hair, like literally just a little bit to my hair, maybe a quarter size amount, and that's for both sides because I don't want my hair to get too weighed down. So just apply that to both sides of your hair. All right, y'all, so that is literally all the products that I use for my hair. hope that answered a lot of y'all's questions, because y'all really wanted to know what products I use, and I really hope that I showed you guys how I do it and I showed you the products correctly. But if you have any more questions, you can definitely leave a comment down below and ask me the question, or you can DM me on Instagram if you want any more details. I'm gonna let my hair dry, and it'll probably be nighttime by the time it finishes drying, so the lighting's gonna be different again. I told y'all, like, I'm not a catfish. I just change the color from the daytime to the nighttime depending on if the sun's out or if it's not out. So anyways, I will be back in a couple hours to show you guys the final results. Okay guys, so I literally just woke up, and I know I look crazy. I know I look freaking insane, but I didn't want to wait until nighttime, so I waited until the next morning. So I'm here in my onesie. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off this. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. My hair routine switches up so much. Like, I literally just bought some more products. I can't talk. I literally just bought some more products to try on my hair and maybe incorporate it into my new hair routine that I will have for the summer and the spring, because you need a new one, you know, for every season. So I will have that soon, and whenever I finish testing out the products, I will find me a new routine. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna get off this because I'm looking crazy, okay? But anyways, thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.